Oh my goodness, guys, I made this beautiful bridal hairstyle with just half of a pack of braid extension. Hi guys, it's your girl Jasmine Royo. Welcome back to my channel where we slay on a budget. If this is your first time, welcome, and to my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. So in today's video, I'll be using Supreme Super Hair Wax because it doesn't leave white particles. My hair is already washed and combed. I'm gonna go ahead to section my hair using my hand and then applying the hair wax. So based on the hair I'll be making, I'll make my hair and I have natural hair. I'm gonna tell you the experience I have while using hair wax. Recently, I've been getting a lot of comments, especially TikTok and Facebook, asking me what I use for my hair for it not to get white after applying hair wax. Alright, I got your back. I figured it out, okay? So months ago, whenever I apply hair wax and after making the hair like few hours or one day thereabouts, I'll notice some white particles all over my hair, and that's not a good experience at all. And then I started figuring it out. This is based on experience, okay? Recently, whenever I want to make my hair, I always wash my hair. After washing it, I'll just go ahead to apply little product on my hair, right? Just little product, and then I'll comb. And then after making my hair, I always make sure to use oil to spray on my hair. The one I have is Mega Growth oil. You can use any oil you have. You can use coconut oil, any other oil at all. You use it to spray all over your hair, alright? And then that is it. Before you do this, make sure you don't apply much product on your hair before making your hair, because this is what leaves this sticky and whitish thing on your hair. That is what I noticed, I experienced months ago, but ever since I was able to figure it out, I've not been experiencing that, and this is why I've come to share with you. You know I love it so much, so I will always keep you updated about anything I notice about natural hair. My hair is 9 months today. Wow, I'm so happy. The hair is actually growing. I'm so happy. I'm loving my natural hair. Do you know why? I don't sleep with my hair without covering it. I always make sure I cover my hair before sleeping. Yeah. And secondly, whenever I loosen my hair, I don't just leave it like that. I just try to find my way to twist or braid. Don't just leave it like that, because it's gonna shrink in, and whenever it shrinks, it will be very difficult for you to comb it, and this is why you keep having hair loss. So always make sure to twist your hair, to braid it whenever you loosen it, and then don't sleep without covering your hair. Hold on. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit on that subscribe button and share this video. I wanted to share this video to your loved ones because they might find this interesting. Okay, I have some wonderful hair tutorial coming up.
That you've been lonely makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, the better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I sit here every day. For the moment, I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it?
This hair is so simple. Anybody can do this. Just follow the trick and you will get it. And make sure you don't skip anywhere, because if you skip, you're not gonna get it right. So I'm gonna go ahead to twist.
We'll take it to that day. Can we watch it fade away?
So this is it. I have two of it like this. I'm gonna go ahead to use my bobby pin, and before I do that, yeah, I'm gonna braid it and then use my rubber band to secure.
You said that you've been searching, silencing your mind, trying to be patient but running out of time.
I'm gonna use my bobby pin to secure this. You can actually use rubber band, you can use any other thing you wish to use.
No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand.
And once you secure it with the bobby pin, you just go ahead to twist them together.
Hear the teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away? Can we let it fade away? We'll take it to that day. Can we watch it fade away? You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, the better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by.
Oh my goodness, this hairstyle is gorgeous. I love it. Make sure to share this video and like. Let me know what you think in the comment section, okay? I'll be there waiting for you.
Said there ain't no reason, but I sit here every day.
Thanks for watching. Bye.